So this is going to be a quick overview of the updates I was able to make to my Chrome extension, which is going to apply to the version 10 build of CallMiner Eureka. Let's take a look at the upper right-hand corner of the application. This is where the Chrome extension now resides. In addition to the functionality that was already present, and for those who are not familiar with it, what it did was it provided basically quick category information. Basically, the actual individual categories are quickly available to you to search versus going to the left pane and going to the individual folders to find the category that you're looking for. You could just simply type it in here. So if we're looking for dissatisfaction, you would type it in here. It'll quickly come up. You select it, and then you had the option to add it as a semantic building block. So if I wanted to add it, see it got added there. Or if I wanted to add it as a filter, I could add it as a filter. I could remove it. I don't want it. I don't want any calls with dissatisfaction. I could also add that filter, and I can also remove that. In addition to the functionality that was present previously, there has also been a couple of improvements made based on the information that's available via the DOM of this particular version of CallMiner. So if you notice in the drop down, now the folders that the individual categories belong to are present. So everything in the behavior folder is listed here. So if I were to pick something like payment, it'll come up under behavior. What else could I, let me see if I can select something else. Sales, that's also behavior. So anything, everything is basically grouped within their individual folders. You can see you have competitor there. Um, so in addition, what I've also done is given the ability to add attributes to this extension. So now you have access to the attributes and can quickly filter them versus just filtering them on the left plane, basically what was visible as I was doing previously in the other build of the Chrome extension. So, and you can navigate the additional attributes by just clicking any of these directional arrows. As you can see, you have access to the dimension, quick select. You can take a look at the acoustic measures. You can take a look at the attributes and then just measures, and then it rolls back over the category. So under dimensions, same thing. If you're looking for an individual, so if I'm looking for Kate, quickly filter Kate, she's under agents. You can select, okay, let's say select Alex. So one of the cool features of it is you can go back, category quick select. Let's select something here. Let's say we select empathy, and then we can move forward to where we had selected the agent, and it's still information is still present. So as you're going through building your queries or whatever you're using the application for, you can use this extension to kind of take a peek at the attribute numbers, add attributes to the actual query that you're running, take a look at the category numbers, add those to the query that you're running, and just basically keep track of those numbers. You know, it gives you quick access to all that information, in addition to which it still has the functionality which was present previously with regards to the search bars. So you have the quick syntax selection. So if you wanted to type in like or, you can quickly type that in, before, after, and then not before. All that is still available based on previous extension. That functionality is still there. There's still more that can be added, still taking a look at it to see what additional functionality this Chrome extension can bring, but so far so good, so stay tuned.